The high priest are a type of people in the Bible that are described in a very specific way. They are to eat differently, dress differently, and act differently. And the idea behind that is that they may act like they are in heaven while they are on earth. Alam niyo po, sabi sa Biblia that you are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, His own special people, that you may proclaim the praises of Him who called you out of the darkness into the marvelous light. Tinawag tayo ng Panginoon para maging royal priesthood dito sa mundong ito. And many people are really afraid that they might be different from the rest. Pero alam mo ba, tinawag ka ng Panginoon para maging iba. You are to act differently, speak differently, dress differently. And the idea behind that is that you will live here on earth as it is in heaven. That's 1 minute. This is Word on Weekdays.